Hey guys, in today's video it'll be the first of a three-part series of our week in July that we spent at Mercer Lake Resort. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, so it is the beginning of our full week up here at Mercer Lake. It's Sunday afternoon and we just got checked in to our cabin, and we're super excited to have 7 days straight up here just to chill out and play on the lake. All right, so for our full week we are in cabin number 2, and let me show you around really quick. It's got a full kitchen area here, and we've got all of our food stocked in for the next 7 days. It's got a fridge and a stove and an oven. It's got a nice table for 4 right here, and a nice couch. A couple of chairs over there. There's Liddy. Hi, Liddy. And then it's got Angie, my room. Excuse the mess. We just moved all our stuff in, but it's got a queen size bed. And it's got a television over here and a dresser and stuff. And then it's got a second room that's got another queen size bed on the bottom and a bunk bed up on top that the kids are going to be sharing this room. And then there's also a bathroom. And similar to the cabins we stayed in before, it's got a sink and a toilet, but the shower building is right behind us. So that's what the cabin looks like. And then the deck out here has a barbecue, and we got all of our chairs set up. There's a picnic table right there. And then there is the view from our deck, which is just beautiful. And we're gonna hopefully get out on the lake here soon. The other nice thing with this cabin that I like is the beach is right down there. So when the girls are playing on the beach and stuff, I can just look off the deck and see what they're doing, which is cool. All right, everyone is arriving for the week and playing on the beach, getting in boats, launching boats. A bunch of kids already in the hot tub, taking that over. Okay, so we're cooking some dinner here on Sunday night. Lydia here is making some of her world famous garlic bread. And Angie is cooking some corn. And in that oven down there, I got some ribs. All right, so there's the ribs. After they just came out of the oven, they're looking super good. All right, we're heading out for an evening run. Water's looking pretty nice. Okay, we just got done playing checkers, and it's kind of late night on Sunday night, and Gia wants to explain why trickered is a word. Go ahead, Gia.
It is you. I wasn't talking in English. I was talking in Kukalaka language. In Kukalaka language, trickered is a word. It is.
All right, it's Monday morning on the lake. Slept in a little bit, so got a little bit of a later start. Still looking really nice out here. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Here is the swim area in the middle of the afternoon on Monday afternoon. Lots of people out here having fun. There's the 4 Ponzo ladies all together in the swim area. All right, this is the hot tub here at Mercer Lake. Whoa, what's that in the hot tub? It's Cradrick. Oh, poor Pixie. Poor Pixie. What did they do to you, Pixie? Oh, no.
Gia. Over here. I got goggles. Okay.
All right. So Monday night we're having dinner all together up here. One of the best places you can go here in Florence in the morning is Big Dog Donuts. They have some great donuts that we'll show you here in a minute. Okay, so Big Dog Donuts behind me is a place here in Florence that we like to go get some donuts in the morning. They have something I've never had before called buttermilk bars that are super tasty. Okay, so that is a glazed buttermilk bar. All right, so Gia is also having a glazed buttermilk bar this morning. G, how do you like it?
Good.
It's good? Nice. Early morning on Tuesday here at Mercer Lake. Tuesday morning, chilling out on the deck. There's Ray Ray. Oh, Ray Ray. Ray Ray.
Angle it up when you slice it so that the last piece is the
There's Gia and Katie and Miriam and Kelly and Clara, and a plate full of eaten watermelon and some not for long watermelon.
No.
And there's Nana.
Grabbing for the water.
And there's Angie.
Oh, Pix.
And there's Pixie. Oh, Pixie.
These are yummy.
Pixie's about to get some watermelon. So the only thing better than spending time at Mercer Lake Resort is spending a week straight at Mercer Lake Resort. And it sure was cool the first few days getting to spend some time with Angie's mom, Linda, and seeing 3 generations of Ponzo women all hanging out together. That was a really cool thing. And we had a lot of fun with inner tubing and wakeboarding. It was just a great time. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.